Cats and weirdness are synonymous, and these two are absolutely inseparable. Weird cat behaviors are probably one very important reason why one decides to get a cat. But why do we love these weird cat behaviors? I mean, we don't like people behaving weird, do we? The answer to this, my friend, is innocence. Cats are weird without any specific purpose, and that is why we love them so much. So in this video, I am going to discuss the top 5 weird cat behaviors that I know you are aware and curious about. We will also learn why cats do what they do and what does it mean as a position of cat parent. So sit well, have a coffee cup ready and watch this video to the end. First weirdest behavior includes cats rubbing their bum at your face in the morning at 5 o'clock. There are very few experiences in life as fragrant as that. Now you may wonder, why do they do that? Why do they feel this sudden urge to flash their butt right in your face, particularly when you don't want them to? And have you ever noticed how precise cats are with their timings? When you wish to play with them, they stare at you as if they are ready to kill you. And when you are watching your favorite show on Netflix and the suspense is about to drop, bam! All of a sudden your cat wants to be cozy and slam her bum at your face. Anyways, I think I answered why they do that. Putting their bums to your face is one such weird cat behavior that lets you know they trust you and don't see you as a threat. A cat bum to the face is a human equivalent to a hug or a kiss on the cheek as per cat expert Amy Shojai. That is so sweet, isn't it? Smelly, of course, but so sweet. Another reason that scientists believe why cats turn their bums on us is to allow you to learn more about her. As per some recent studies, cats through this behavior are trying to let you in on them by allowing you more access to her. Cats are sensitive beings that learn and transmit through olfactory or scent-based actions. So if she is turning her back to you, this directly means she is comfortable around you and is expressing her feeling of security around you. My dude, it simply means your cat is saying I love you. So revert some love back by petting her near the base of her tail. Why do my cats follow me to the bathroom? This is another very common weird cat behavior that every cat owner must have observed. And if you don't have an open bathroom door policy when living with your cats, you can feel them roaming just outside your door in curiosity. So why do cats gleefully want to follow you into the bathroom? There are a number of reasons why cats choose to follow you into the bathroom. Inherently, cats are hunters, and that is why they are curious by nature. They like to scrape their domain all the time, so to speak. Whether that be your living room, your backyard, or your bathroom. So you might not be a potential prey for them, but they want to know what is happening in their domain all the time. And when you put a door between you and them, their weird cat behavior goes into overdrive and you can find them sweating the doors and meowing loudly outside. Another reason is a bathroom is virtually a beacon for cat fascination. Your bathroom is probably the coolest room of your house. There are taps of running water, a clean sink to curl into and toilet paper. And of course, so much toilet paper. So you see why these events in a collective form can trigger curiosity and sensations of your cat into overdrive. Another very interesting reasoning behind this behavior as per wildlife biologist Imogen Cancelar is the demand for attention. With their humans being way too busy with the life they have, cats see this as a great opportunity to sit on your lap and find the warmest spot in the house, for they have learned their human doesn't have much of a choice when he or she is using the toilet. It is also possible that your cat may feel vulnerable in your absence. And knowing that you are there where they cannot reach you might be making them a little bit anxious. Which is why all the sweating and scratching happens. Why do cats like to sleep on your head? There is again a lot of reasoning and speculations around this behavior. One of the obvious reasons why they plop on your head like a crown is because of the warmth. Yes, sure, you have other body parts that are warm, but most of the heat from your body escapes from your head. And your cat, as sensitive as she is, can perceive that. Apart from that, your head also happens to be the most convenient spot. In your process of lying down, the head is that part of your body that will see minimal motion. We all know how we move our hands and torso while we sleep. Here is a fun fact though. The average temperature of a cat's body is around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and they need to constantly regulate their body temperature in such a sense so as to aid their basal metabolism. For these reasons, cats tend to find places that have an elevated temperature like your window, in front of a water place, or in this case, your head. Why do cats like boxes, or why do they actively find tight spaces to hide or rest in? So why do cats like boxes? Why do cats tend to find tight spaces to fit in? Why do they have "if I fits, I sits" motto? One of the top reasons for this is their sense of survival and comfort. Cats are predators, and we all know that. In their process of evolving beside us, they may have toned down some of their wild tendencies, but that doesn't mean they have given it up altogether. Wild cats use tight spaces and vantage points to measure their prey, attack, and rest. And their sleek and agile body is designed to aid in these tasks. So, over the process of evolution, cats have retained this memory and associated it with tiny boxes and spaces they find in your house. In other words, boxes and tiny spaces give them a familiar sense of security wherein they can rest without being worried about external attacks. Why do cats tend to open their mouth after smelling something? This is one of the weird cat behaviors about which you may be unaware as to why a cat does that. For example, your cat may have just smelled the grocery bag that you brought from the market and is making this strange face where her mouth is partially open as if she is panting. So why do cats do that? This response is commonly referred to as Flehmen response, and interestingly, cats are not the only mammals that do this. Cats have a special organ called Jacobson's organ located at the top of their mouth behind their teeth. So, whenever your cat makes this face, it means her sense of smell has encountered something she doesn't completely understand yet. And now, she is in the process of delegating the smell to Jacobson's organ for more analysis. In the process that is visible to you, the tongue is actually trying to capture the scent and sending it to the Jacobson's organ. Hence the smelly cat face. Surprisingly, the Flehmen response, as I pointed out, isn't limited to cats. Other predatory and non-predatory animals like elephants, horses, tigers, giraffes, and goats are noted to express Flemen's response as well. Okay then, my crazy cat lovers, those were the top 5 weird cat behaviors your cats generally express, of which you might be aware but ignorant of. I hope I was able to provide the necessary knowledge base and insights in these weird cat behaviors and satisfy your curiosity. Comment down your queries in comment section below and I will surely respond to them. Take great care of yourselves and your cat, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.